Gordon Ramsay is a well-known chef, restaurateur, and television personality. Beyond his culinary expertise, Ramsay has also shared valuable life lessons through his work ethic, communication style, adaptability, leadership, and continuous improvement mindset. These lessons can inspire and guide individuals in both personal and professional endeavors. 5 best life lessons are: Number 1. Passion and perseverance. Gordon Ramsay is an accomplished chef who has earned his stripes through hard work, passion, and perseverance. He is known for his intense work ethic and the high standards he sets for himself and his team. He is a firm believer that success is not just about talent, but also about putting in the hard work and dedication to achieve your goals. Number 2. Continuous improvement. Ramsay is always looking for ways to improve his craft. He constantly strives to learn new techniques, experiment with different ingredients, and push the boundaries of what is possible in the kitchen. He emphasizes the importance of staying curious and never becoming complacent. Number 3. Honesty and direct communication. Ramsay is known for his blunt and direct communication style. He does not sugarcoat his feedback and is not afraid to tell it like it is. While some may find his approach harsh, he believes that honesty is the best policy and that it is important to give people the feedback they need to improve. Number 4. Adaptability and flexibility. Ramsay is known for his ability to adapt to different situations and environments. He has built his career by taking on new challenges and adapting to different cultures and cuisines. He emphasizes the importance of being flexible and open-minded, and not being afraid to step outside of your comfort zone. Number 5. Leadership and teamwork. Ramsay is a strong leader who knows how to motivate and inspire his team. He believes in setting clear expectations, holding people accountable, and empowering his team members to take ownership of their work. He emphasizes the importance of teamwork and collaboration, and believes that everyone has a role to play in achieving success.